हाँ गाइस, फ्रेंड्स, ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स, सभी को मेरे तरफ से प्रणाम सलाम। गाइस, I make here there are open area and you can see also that there are no any peoples. Yeah, so when I make a video I feel good. So friends, today my topic will be only in English. Yeah, and whatever I know I will tell you about COVID-19. So today my topic will be COVID-19. Yeah, friends, in whatever in my English speech, whatever will mistake, for that we want to please you forgive me. Okay, now my education is continue. So my main point that I am doing practice. Yeah. So in I want speak fluently. Yeah, English. So in like this I am doing practice. So can be mistake, friends. Yeah. So I am studying in how much impact of COVID-19 of the education sector. Not only education sector, in all sectors has been very impact. Yeah. So in first of all, I will tell about education sector. When when already all of us know in this virus how much dangerous. Yeah, in this virus is very dangerous. So government all of us told please in that time our all college all schools was closed. Government was saying in all children was stay at home, please you stay at home, you don't out of area, whatever you have any emergency work that please you can out, otherwise please you stay at home. Because that time was going on like that virus. So in our government in emergency take decision. So like this friends, in that things we should obey. Friends, in especially in education sectors, in like this was that time in all of your children was stay at home and not any children outing any area, any schools. Yeah, but government told us that please you can teach online mode. Yeah, so children's preparing online mode, but in now in this country all of us has not smartphone that any children can teach online mode. Yeah, friends, as far as I have knowledge that in not only education sector, in every people's was very sorrow, very difficult that in that time those people gone to out of area for working. I swear when I used to see them when he was coming at home. Yeah, any people's because any traveling sectors was closed. Yeah, and about one in railway sectors was closed already, you know. So all labor was coming on foot only in Haryana, Mumbai, in Hyderabad, from coming only one on foot. So please you can imagine that how much was difficult, how much was going on in this country, in not only this country but also all world. Yeah, in France, in whatever I have knowledge I am telling you. Yeah, that you can show also in especially when COVID-19 was going on in that time, in how much people's was difficult in especially those labor was working daily by daily. Yeah, and there are many peoples that daily by daily he will have to work. After that he get money in about you can say, and you know that in, and those people's daily by daily was working. Yeah, those people's was going to daily by daily in those people's was going on in rickshaw. Yeah, and please you can imagine how much difficult was that time. So friends, this virus is very dangerous. Already you know now, in now is coming in new virus, yeah, Omicron, like this. Yeah, I don't know about this, but like this. So friends, as far as I had knowledge, I tell you, and friends, you can say in what kind of my video. Please you tell my comment that in what kind of my English speech. Yeah, and now I am learning, so can be mistake. For that please you forgive me.